This question is about the geometry topic. In the diagram, AOB is a quarter circle with the center 0 and the radius r. The point C lies on the arc AB and the point D lies on OB. The line CD is parallel to AO and angle AOC is phi radian. Express the parameter of the shaded region. For the case where R and phi, find the area of shaded region. Okay. The first thing I want to remind you is here we have no formula directly to calculate the area for shaded region. We have to divide it into the some parts and then we calculate each of them. The question 1 I asked you about the parameter of the shaded region, and I will to divide this one into the 3 parts. The first one, curve. The second one, a line BD. Sorry, this is B and here D. Part 2 and CD is part 3. And now I will calculate the each of them. And I think the easy one will be BD. So I will calculate BD first. We don't know about the BD, but we all know about the total of BO. BO is the radius of the circle, a big circle. So here is R, and you can calculate this one, DO. So I can set the formula for calculate the BD is OB minus 2OD. I know about the OB. OB I have here is R. So OD I don't know, but OD is the angle, is the side of the triangle CDO. So this angle is pi if phi, and this angle has to be equal to phi because CD and AO are also perpendicular to OB. So this one will be equal to this one. This angle will be equal to this angle. So here is phi. And I can set the cos SOHCAHTOA in the triangle OCD. I can set here is sine. Sine of phi will be equal to opposite, it means OD, and divide by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OC. I mean OD has to be divided by R, and OD will be equal to R multiple sine phi. And combine them, I can set a formula for BD will be equal to R minus OD. OD here is R times sine phi. So that's why we have simplified 1 minus sine phi. Here is BD. Okay, you can write out this one first. And the second, I calculate the part 3. Here is part 2. And calculate part 3, CD. And in the CD, in the similar way, when I calculate the OD, but I will use the formula of the cos. Cos phi will be equal to CD divided by OC. OC here is R, so CD will be equal to R times cos phi. Okay, I think I have to write down outside the result for BD is R 1 minus sine phi, and CD you have R times cos phi. Okay, and now we calculate the hardest part is CD, CB, the curve CB. The curve CB here is a part of the curve of AB. So I mean I can calculate the length of the arc AB, and then I will minus to arc of the arc length of the path AC. So calculate for AB the length of arc AB. Because the AOB is the quarter circle, it means the 1/4 of the circle. I will calculate the parameter of the own bigger circle, and then I will divide by 4, and I will have the result for arc length AB. Okay, so parameter of the circle is 2 pi r, and this one will be quarter. It means the arc AB will be 2 pi r and divided by 4. So here is the length of AB, pi R divided by 2. Okay, so now I calculate the AC because the arc length of CB will be equal to the arc length of AB minus AC. So I have AB in this one. And now calculate AC. Just AC. The arc AC is a part of the bigger parts, and the angle here is not 90 degrees. It's only the phi. Okay, so I will set a basic formula about how can you calculate the arc length. You got the 2 pi r with corresponding to the one rotation. This means one circle 360 degree, but I mean 2 pi radian corresponding to 2 pi radian. But I have the question phi. The angle here is only phi radian. So corresponding to that, the length will be proportion. I mean I will take the pi times 2 pi r and divide by 2 pi, and then I will got, after simplify, I just only have phi times r. So the length of the arc AC will be phi r. So I have AC in this one will be phi and r. And BC, the BC here will be AB minus for AC. So here is AB and here is AC. And you know about the BD and about the CD, so the parameter of the shaded region will be combined from BC plus here is CD and plus BD. This would be BC, you got the pi r divided by 2 minus phi times r, and CD you got r times cos phi, and BD you have the r 1 minus sine phi. Okay, so you can simplify here, but you can take the outside for r and then you will get the answer. Okay, here is my answer of this question. The question 2i, for the case, find the area of the shaded region. The shaded region here is not, there is no directly formula to calculate this one, but I can set the area of the shaded region here will be equal to the area of the own sector in this one, and take it, this is B, A, O, and is minor to the area of this part C, D, and A, O. So from the second part, I can divide by it into the two parts. Here is the one sector, and here is the right triangle. So after you take the part 1 minor to part 2, I will have the area of the shaded region. Okay, I will calculate the part 1 first. Part 1 is the area of the quarter. It means the 1/4 of the area of the quarter of the circle. Okay, the area of the circle is mean pi r square. So I will have the part 1 will be equal to pi r square divided by 4. Easy, right? So the second one, the first part, I will calculate the triangle CDO. You know about the line here, CD, EO, and you know about this one side, and here it can correspond to base and height of the triangle. So substitute to the triangle area formula. I can set there is the area of the CDO will be 1/4 or 1/2 CD times OD. Okay, CD you have R cos phi, and CD, what do you have in CD? OD is 1 over cos, just R times cos times sine, sorry, sine phi. I mean, this will be equal to R squared sine phi cos phi and divided by 2. And the second one is the part the area of the sector AOC. So the sector AOC is the area corresponding to this angle, I mean phi. So the total area of the whole circle is pi r squared. This will be corresponding to the 2 pi radian or 2 pi rad. But in this case, I only have the phi radian or rad. So I will corresponding or proportional here is take by the formula phi times with the pi r squared and divide by 2 pi. So here, after you simplify, you can gather the area of the sector AOC will be equal to phi times r squared and divide by 2. 1, 2, and 3. And I will take the 1 minus to the 2 and 3 parts. I will got the final answer about the area of the sector region. Wait 1 minute, I will rewrite. And phi r squared divided by 2. Okay. The formula to calculate the area here, after I simplify, you will got the part 1 minus the part 2 and minus to part 3. And I will simplify the number pi r squared phi squared divided by 2, phi squared times phi 0.6 and times cos 0.6 divided by 2 and 0.6 times phi squared and divided by 2. No, it is 4. It is 4. Okay, and wait me for using my calculator. You got here is pi times 25 divided by 4 and it's minus 25 times cos 0.6 and times sine 0.6 and 1 divided by 2 0.6 times 25 divided by 2. So the result is 6.3 and 1. Here's my result. Okay, I hope you understand this question.